The KCC book of core competency areas are broken into 8 core knowledge and competency areas. Now, these areas are all areas that teachers will have when they are dealing and teaching with the early childhood. And then they are broken down, those competency areas are broken down into very many different competency statements. And then those are divided into 3 levels: developing, achieving, and extending. Developing is the knowledge, achieving is the application, and extending is the analysis. So developing, the teachers are knowledgeable of the 8 area of the core knowledge areas. And then the next level is achieving. They're going to apply it with their students, with their classrooms, with their communities, and then they're going to analyze using the extended level. And they're going to analyze what they have seen and what they have assessed in each of those 8 core knowledge competency areas.